जी, कहाँ से आ रहा है पहला सवाल? श्रवण।
Hey guys, Shravan here. First of all, congratulations. What a brilliant trailer, yaar. Like,
Thank you so
feel
much.
that ishq in your heart. Manish, quite an unusual pairing and fresh one. What is the thought that went behind casting these two? I mean, they're phenomenal as actors, but what was the thought that you had that you wanted to cast both of them?
I think once the script was ready, Vibhu and my team, we had a lot of discussions on the cast. And वो एक I don't know why, I think we were sitting in my atelier and then we विजय का नाम आया and I said कि हाँ विजय बहुत अच्छे होंगे because they knew each other. I also knew Vijay, but not so closely as we know each other now. And then he said, कि yes, of course he's an intense actor and I felt he would be great in a romantic role because an actor is an actor and Vijay has the height and look, all of it. And an old world charm. So we thought Vijay would be a very good choice for it and that's how we spoke about Vijay and that's when we went to Vijay. And ऐसी ही एक discussion चल रही थी and I said, why not Fatima? Because वो बहुत petite है, बहुत खूबसूरत है and it's a romantic role. She's always done such wonderful roles, but never come as a heroine, as we say, that dupatta and that nazakat. So let me send this. So I texted her. She was very responsive, and she said, "Yes, why don't you send me the script?" So probably I think I sent her the script at emailed it to her at about 8 o'clock, and just before I went to sleep at about 11:30, I had a message from her saying, "Hey, I'm doing the film." So that
Clearly were your first choice.
Yes, they were my clearly. They were absolutely our first choices. You have a lot of discussions. You think of, I think for us, very important was that we get an unusual pair. You don't maybe think of Vijay in a romantic role, but when you see the film, he's so brilliant in it. In fact, each time I was seeing the second half yesterday, we're finishing the color, and I was looking at his expressions, and I kept thinking, my 95-year-old mother who keeps telling me, दोनों बहुत खूबसूरत हैं. I keep saying that बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं. So I think that whole carriage of his salwar and I remember in a discussion on costumes, I said he should wear a shawl and he has that beautiful. He could look very today and look, old world and have that classic charm, which is what I think is the ability of both of them. So that's why they were the perfect.
Perfect.
Hello. Thank you so much. Hi. Narinder Bhutani this side. Here. Fatima. Yeah. जैसे अभी मनीष सर ने बोला कि आपको अब तक कोई लीड रोल्स नहीं मिले थे, सो मेरा क्वेश्चन उससे रिलेटेड है. सो अभी तक
आप जैसा कोई किया.
हाँ जी. सो अभी तक आपने कहा था एक इंटरव्यू के अंदर कि आपको सेकंड ग्रेड एक्टर की तरह आपको लाइक एक ट्रीट किया जाता था. अब भी इस फिल्म के अंदर आप नजीरुद्दीन शाह सर जैसे एकदम महान कलाकार एंड विजय वर्मा जैसे स्ट्रॉन्ग एक्टर के सामने आप प्रेजेंस है आपकी, आप कैरेक्टर निभा रहे हैं. इसके अंदर आपको क्या लगता है कि आपके कैरेक्टर की जो इमोशनल आर्क है वो ओवरशैडो नहीं हो रही या हो रही है? व्हाट्स दैट? या इस बार आप कन्विंस हो रहे हो कि हाँ अब तो नहीं मैं सेकंड ग्रेड एक्टर, नाउ आई हैव बिकम अ लीड एक्ट्रेस, राइट?
I think second grade is a very harsh word. I have been playing a lot of character roles क्योंकि मैंने बहुत जल्दी शुरू किया था. पहले चाइल्ड एक्टर थी, बट उसके बाद फॉर एनी चाइल्ड एक्टर स्पेशली बैक देन एक मिसकंसेप्शन होता था कि अगर आप चाइल्ड एक्टर हो आप लीडिंग हीरोइन नहीं बन सकते हो. सो फॉर मी दैट चेंज व्हेन आई केप्ट ऑन ऑडिशनिंग. वापस पूछना, इतना लंबा सवाल.
सो अभी इस फिल्म के अंदर जो प्रेजेंस है आपकी वो ओवरशैडो तो नहीं हो रही आपके कैरेक्टर्स की?
हाँ, correct. So because I played both like each other and I've done a lot of TV also back then. It's very difficult क्योंकि आपका हर दिन क्लॉक होता है. अगर आपने एक भी दिन साइन नहीं किया हो, they won't pay per day. So back then I had decided that if I ever become a leading actor, I will never treat somebody like that. And that's what I live by. And in this film also, I was lucky enough to work with actors who are very giving, very nice and kind. Very fortunate to be working with such actors since the time I started my career again. So just wanted to say thank you and Nasir ji and Manish for giving me this opportunity.
Anyone learning from Nazaruddin Shah?
हर दिन आप कुछ ना कुछ सीखते हैं. Every day. First I was very nervous because नसीर जी है, तो हर दिन मैं सोचती थी हे वो क्या सोचेंगे मेरे बारे में कि मैं अच्छी एक्टर हूँ कि नहीं. So I was seeking a lot of validation from him. But he's so experienced and so kind कि you feel grounded as an actor with him. I learned a lot. There were certain scenes जो मैं अभी बात नहीं कर सकती, पर कभी-कभी क्या होता है ना, आप एक performative zone में चले जाते हो, वो आपको सीधा realize कराते हैं कि वो moment में कैसे आना है वापस. So you realize कि you know कि हम कभी-कभी इधर-उधर भटक जाते हैं, how to come back to a scene.
I would like to congratulate Manish sir. मनीष सर आपको बहुत बहुत मुबारक, और इस तरह के टॉपिक के साथ, इस तरह की मूवी के साथ एक डेब्यू करने का प्रोड्यूसर सर बहुत, एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाओ सर जी. थैंक यू सर.
I want to add one small little thing. मतलब लोग कहते हैं रिलेशनशिप सालों साल चलता है, कुछ भी नहीं. I met Manish for one meeting, and in the second meeting he said, okay, I want to hear what you want to make. In the second meeting he heard it. He didn't even hear the second half. First half सुनने के बाद उन्होंने बोला मुझे ये फिल्म करनी है. He's been, and all through this a year that we've gone out and made the film, he's been so helpful and gracious in every regard, where he's only told me one thing every day: go out and make the film that you want to make. Don't make it for anybody else, for you. If that works for you, it'll work for me, it'll work for everybody. And that is why I want to thank him today कि इतना बड़ा heart for a first time producer with a director like me. He's given me that sort of platform, that opportunity, the actors that I wanted. विशाल सर, गुलजार साहब, अच्छे लोगों को नहीं मिलते हैं इतने काबिल लोग. मुझे इतने काबिल लोग मिले thanks to him, and I've been able to do what I wanted to do.
नसीर साहब का एक जैसे कि आपने नसीर साहब मेंशन किया. So my first meeting was with him. So Bibhu had gone to his house, and so I said first you ask him, you know, and then so he said नहीं वो बुला रहे हैं आपको. So it's just 7 or 8 minutes away from my house. And पहली मीटिंग उनके साथ यही थी कि I had to discuss his price. So मैं nervous हो रहा हूँ गाड़ी में. Yes, then I'm telling myself कि no, now you're a producer. You have to learn to do, you know. And then I met him, and of course we had a long discussion, and he was just a phenomenal person to work with and an actor to work with. Actor तो कमाल के हैं, but he was a great person to work with. And I had the best time. And एक बार उनका एक text आया कि you're one of the best producers that I worked with. So मुझे अच्छा लगा, ऐसे ठीक है, वो price की discussion भी ठीक थी इसका. And I think another thing that I'll always thank Vibhu for, of course, one is the film, but I think for introducing me to Vishal sir. Of course, I know of his genius, and I've met him once or twice before, but not close enough to have worked together. And पहले जब उन्होंने कहा विशाल साहब and गुलजार साहब, of course I was excited, and I felt कि the film needs them. And then मुझे लगा कि अच्छा ठीक है, बहुत बड़े this thing are not really interactive. I'm mostly interactive with directors and actors, but as a director, I think we've not worked together, you know. And but for me, the one memory of one technician and that to a genius technician, Vishal Saab and Gulzar Saab, and always I cherish. And they have been just wonderful, and it's been just fabulous to work with Vishal. So for me, I'm taking back this from this film, and I kept telling him, "हमको एक एक film साथ में बनानी है," because I enjoyed working with him so much. What an artist, and so forthcoming, so young at heart. I would be passionate and say कि ऐसे करते हैं, ये बहुत डालते हैं. He would be. I never heard him say कि नहीं ऐसा नहीं करूँगा. I'm Vishal. I will this Vishal Saab, and I'll decide. He was so wanting to hear and adapt and work with you. And same with Gulzar Saab. I think these are our story, our song sessions is something that I really will check.
Manish, your mom is a film buff.
Yes.
I want to know whether she has.
And she's your fan. Yeah, she is.
I want to know whether she's seen the film or heard the script, and did she find कुछ पहले जैसा?
So she has been singing the song. She's 95. She's very touchwood. She's very good in terms of her mind is super strong. And I showed her the trailers. I told her I was making this film, and then she complimented Vijay and Salwar, and you know, and Fatima. बहुत सुंदर है. She's been enjoying the music a lot, and yes, she's been enjoying the world a lot actually.
Sorry on my and Mina's behalf, we have to move somewhere else.
Yeah.
It's a very interesting thing, but
Yes. Thank you.
Fatima? Hi, this side. Disha from Filming. All my love to you. मुझे just एक बात बोलनी है, कलाकार होता है, मुझे नहीं लगता उनका कोई ग्रेड होता है A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Very personal to me. but you know Fatima, with इतनी सारी movies आ रही है of yours, I'm loving it. As an actor आप हमेशा wait करते हैं that you know एक glass ceiling बन सी जाती है that people perceive you in the same way. You've been doing some amazing work. Congratulations for that. Kya Fatima has finally arrived as an actor. How do you feel?
I am very blessed क्योंकि ये साल मैंने बहुत ही बेहतरीन एक्टर्स डायरेक्टर्स के साथ काम किया है, चाहे वो आप जैसा हो, मेट्रो हो, आवर फिल्म, एंड आई एम वेरी फॉर्चुनेट कि अब ऐसी कहानियाँ मिल रही है जहाँ पे मुझे फाइनली रोमांस करने का मौका मिल रहा है। मतलब असल जिंदगी में नहीं तो कम से कम फिल्मों में मिल जाए, और यहाँ पे तो किसी ने तो कपड़ों पे ध्यान दिया कि अच्छा थोड़ा हवा आता है, बाल ऐसे होने चाहिए, कपड़े ऐसे होने चाहिए। So that's a different experience because we play such character-driven characters roles, and which is the best thing. क्योंकि as an actor, if you don't have roles जहाँ पे आप completely घुस सको और सिर्फ surface level पे, so that's not exciting. And even in our film, it's you know बहुत ही बेहतरीन तरीके से लिखा गया है, पोइट्री है, नज़ाकत है. For me to be a part of a world like this, एक तो बनती नहीं ऐसी कहानियाँ anymore, जो जिसका एक certain pace होता है, एक you know rhythm होता है. So I am very grateful to Vibhu and Manish to see me in a role like this.
Vishal sir, just ना कोई कायदा ना कोई भी उसूल. So thank you so much for giving us this beautiful song.
Thank you.
Actually, the word Uljalul comes from Vibhu. Yeah, because he wanted to first name the film as Uljalul. And Uljalul का sound इतना अच्छा था कि मुझे गाना बना, एकदम गाना बन गया, मुझे बनाने की जरूरत नहीं।
फातिमा जी,
अरे ले माइक लो, माइक
किसके बारे में? इश्क अभी
योर फर्स्ट लव,
हम यहाँ पे पहले जैसे इश्क के बात कर रहे हैं, जैसे पहले क्या होता था ना, जब लोग इजहार करते थे अपनी मोहब्बत का, बहुत सोचते थे उसके बारे में, खत लिखते थे, फिर सोचते थे कैसे लिखना है, किस पेपर में लिखना है, गुलाब डालना है नहीं डालना है, परफ्यूम डालना है नहीं डालना है, तो जो रिसीव करता था वो बहुत ही टैक्टाइल एक्सपीरियंस होता था. अब क्या होता है ना कि मीम्स भेज दिया, स्माइलीज भेज दिया, तो काफ़ी ऐसे निपटा देते हैं. सो व्हाट आई लॉन्ग फॉर इज दैट काइंड ऑफ लव, कि स्लो है, पैशनेट है, डीप है, थोड़ा रोते हैं, थोड़ा हंसते हैं, तो वैसे टाइप का प्यार मुझे पसंद है.
विजय जी, आपका पहला लव?
कराची बेकरी के फ्रूट बिस्किट, वो हैदराबाद में केक मिलता था. मैं बचपन में पहली बार मुझे जो बेइंतहा प्यार हुआ था उस केक से हुआ था. और मैंने सोचा था कि मैं क्या ऐसा करूं कि इस बेकरी में अगर इसकी अगर कोई के घर में बेटी है तो मैं शादी करके ही उस घर चला जाऊं ताकि मुझे रोज केक मिलता रहे. तो नहीं, आई थिंक माय फर्स्ट एंड ओनली लव इज द वर्क दैट आई डू. मेरा काम ही मेरी दुल्हन है. But I think this film has a lot of sweetness to it, which when I read the script, it just spoke to me. जिसमें हालांकि मेरे और फातिमा के बीच में बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग एक रोमांस है, बट इसमें एक तीसरा रोमांस भी है, वो है मेरा और नसीर सर का. एक अलग तरह का एक एक टीचर और एक स्टूडेंट का जो एक डीप लव होता है, वो भी हमने बहुत अच्छे से एक्सप्लोर किया है. इट्स नॉट रोमांटिक इन नेचर, बट देयर इज डीप लव, देयर इज डीप कनेक्शन, देयर इज प्रोफाउंड कनेक्शन. तो और इसमें शायरी को लेकर भी बहुत बातें की है. तो ओवरऑल आपको इसमें प्यार का सारा नशा मिलेगा.
Guys, let's get our fabulous actor friend Sharif Hashmi on stage.